Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll see how we can see the same changes inside the Revit model and on ACC platform at the same time. Let me explain. So for example, if I'll delete some element from right here, if I'll modify, I'll add some of the elements inside the Revit file and I'll sync it. Can I see the same one on the cloud platform as well? Let's discuss. So right now, I already published the package on ACC. So whatever right here and inside the ACC cloud platform, we can see inside the Revit as well. Okay. So let me do some modifications right here. Let me delete this cable tray segment from right here. Okay. The fitting is right here, but the cable tray I deleted. And now let me sync this one. So technically, the model will be saved on the cloud, right? So let it sync and then we'll see, can we see the same kind of changes on ACC or not? So if I'll reload this one right here, right here, still we can see the cable tray shown right here. It's not deleted. So what is the reason why this is happening? This is happening because we need to publish our model so that it'll be, saved on the cloud. Right now, if somebody will open the model via Revit at the same location and he'll reload or sync its model, then he'll be able to see that this particular tray is deleted in the model. But if you're opening the same model in the cloud, you need to publish the model to see the latest changes of the model. How we can publish the model? Let's discuss. So let me come on the Revit again. Already synced. Click on relinquish all mine. Now the left top corner, you'll be able to see this icon right here, or you can press Ctrl D command as well. So I clicked on this icon. Let me refresh if we are having any kind of changes inside the model. So I'm just refreshing. So it'll show me, yes, there is any update available for this particular model. Then we can publish. So right now you can see update available. So for that one, I'll click on this icon, click on publish latest, click on publish. There is one more icon right here. If we'll see publish latest without links. So for example, if you are having links inside the project and you want to publish the model without the links, you can click on that icon. Right now, we do not have the links, so it does not matter. We are clicking on publish latest or publish latest with links. Okay. Now let's wait for a couple of seconds. When it'll be done, then we'll see the changes on ACC, whatsoever we did in the Revit model. Meanwhile, let me go for the ACC platform right here. Let me close this one. Now right here, you'll be able to see this is the version. So the version will change when we publish the model. So right now, I think it had already taken. So if you want to track when we publish the model, click on that one. You'll be able to see all the history of the model. So right now, it's syncing. It's updating the model for version 5 that we just did, right? So let it finish and then we'll see how we can check whatsoever is right there on the ACC. Let me close this one. Let me try to open it if it is opening now. It's loading right here. We'll see. Yeah, let me refresh it. So the publish done. If I'll go right here, you can see the publish done. If I'll click on this icon again, let's see if that tree is still right here or not. So now if you'll see, the tree is deleted, but the fitting still right here. So it means to see any changes on the cloud platform, we need to publish the Revit model first. I hope you understand the point. Thanks a lot guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.